Mason, what are you doing? For the chair to go up to the trampoline. Good boy. Oh, you tried to get a motorbike? Do you need mommy help? Do you need mommy help you? Okay. Let me help you. I'll help you. So you want to ride your motorbike? Uh-oh. What you try to do, Macy? What you gonna... Oh, oh, we don't need water. You want to try to go straight this way? Want to try to go straight this way? You ready? 1, 2, 3. What's wrong? What's wrong with Aaron doing to you?
It's my hole. Fine, this is my hole.
Mason love your blanket?
Không ai đã lừa. Mami yên nụ.
Yep. Yummy story, Macy?
No.
One, two, three.
Mommy.
You want me hang it? They go under the house. Let's go under the house. Oh my god. Oh my god, Macy.
You got one more balloon.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. You want me hang it?
Mom. Get.
Strong man. Where your Spider-Man? Okay, okay.
Look at this big person.
Yeah. You're gonna smash the big person? It's heavy, Aaron.
Yeah, but I can lift him in one hand.
Yeah, one hand.
You got it. Mason, do this. Mason, pop it here. Pop it here. Pop it here. Pop it.
Pop it in. Give on the yellow, con. He love the yellow.
It's yellow.
Stop.
Mason, Mason, watch. Watch. Mason's yellow back.
They go under there again. Cho mommy get out. Cho mommy get under there, okay? Smash it some more. Yeah. Cho mommy smash. Cho mommy make some more. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Wow, Aaron's strong.
I must control these big persons. Oh, these big persons. Oh, God. These two persons lift like 20 kilos.
Yeah, 20 kilo. Right? Oh.
20 persons. I'm gonna yank that person.
You kicked the ball. Oh, big muscle. Oh, Adam Chan. No more? Give it to Anna, con. Hey, now today we're gonna learn how to pop this one. Come on.
Oh, is this easy round, but that's a hard round?
Yeah, there's a hard round. Just wait.
It's easy. Pop, 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 pop.
Let Mason finish his one. 1, 2, 3. Pick the rabbit, con.
Oh,
Come on, and after that we're gonna pop the top one.
listen, help me get these balloons.
Come on.
Mommy, look at me, I'm helping.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mason try to pop it.
I'm gonna see if I can get a double. It's gonna so far.
Watch out for On, okay? That's enough for you? Let Mason try.
Orange one because it's really hard.
Wait. Mommy tried to go a little bit low.
You're far. Let's pop. Can I get these ones too?
Aaron, get the high one because you're tall.
There's not even nothing coming on me.
Aaron, be good boy. Try to be patient, don't chuck it. Oh, Mason turn. Pop it. Pop like that.
Get the bait.
Aaron, look, Mason don't know how to pop it.
Mama, pop it.
It's so hard. Hey, mommy, put a little bit close. Here, mommy, put a little bit close to you here. That, close.
Can I pop one? No.
Hmm.
No.
Don't pop the yellow. Let Mason do it.
Can I pop orange? Yeah. Okay.
Let Mason pop the yellow. You have to... Okay, what about color of the next one? Let's go. Let's go.
You give me the hard ones. I want to try to get the ones that have water so I can get.
Aaron, that's enough for you because you pop a lot. Mason just only pop one. Keep some for own.
I'm trying to find the ones that have water. No.
That's enough. Keep that one for own gun.
Yeah, this one is easy.
That one didn't have water. The one that Mason got, they got water. Two of Mason got.
Can I have one of them? No! I put water on my head. Yeah.
Oh, you got the green one. The green one. 2, 3.
Marcy, mommy pick you up.
No, it's so hard. Put that one down. Mason can pop that one on the grass. You want mommy let it down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Mommy, don't have to put mine.
Yeah.
Mine.
He got the last one because you popped nearly 20. And Mason only popped 2.
Mason, you want to do both of us? No. I'll do both of us. Daddy!
Mommy pop it. Let mommy pop it.
I'll let you pop it.
Mommy pop it. Okay. Stay still. Stay still. Aaron, Mason, move a little bit. Move, come close to Aaron. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Aaron.
Mason, you want me to pop it for you? Yeah.
Hey. Oh, one more, Mason. You want to stand under here and Aaron pop it? Here. Oh, stay under here. Stay under the blue one. Here. Stay under the blue one. Oh, you got it. You got the green one. The green one. 2, 3.
Mason, want me to pick you up?
No, it's so hard. Put that one down. Mason can pop that one on the grass. You want mommy let it down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Mommy, don't have to put mine.
Yeah.